Have you ever said something in English and later realized it sounded wrong? Maybe you said, he don't know. I am agree. Discuss about it. Myself, Alex. These are some of the most common English mistakes people make every single day. And the problem is, many learners repeat these mistakes for years because nobody corrects them properly. So in this video, we're going to fix 100 common English mistakes that instantly make your English sound unnatural. We'll cover grammar mistakes, speaking mistakes, professional English, pronunciation, vocabulary confusion, real-life conversation errors, advanced fluency tips. By the end of this video, your English will sound more natural, fluent, and confident.
Section 1. Basic grammar mistakes. Mistake 1. He don't like coffee. He doesn't like coffee. Explanation. With he, she, it, use does, doesn't. Mistake 2. She have a car. She has a car. Mistake 3. They are ready. They are ready. Mistake 4. I didn't went there. I didn't go there. Rule. After did or didn't, always use the base verb. Mistake 5. He can sings. He can sing. After can, should, must, may, use base verb. Mistake 6. I am agree with you. I agree with you. Mistake 7. She is more smarter than me. She is smarter than me. Never use more plus smarter. More plus better. Mistake 8. He is senior than me. He is senior to me. Mistake 9. One of my friend. One of my friends. Mistake 10. The informations are useful. The information is useful. Information is uncountable.
Section 2. Continuous tense mistakes. Mistake 11. I am knowing him. I know him. Some verbs usually do not use continuous tense. Examples: know, understand, believe, love, remember. Mistake 12. I am understanding now. I understand now. Mistake 13. She is resembling her mother. She resembles her mother. Mistake 14. I am having a laptop. I have a laptop. Mistake 15. I am loving this song. I love this song.
Section 3. Tense errors. Mistake 16. Yesterday, I go to the market. Yesterday, I went to the market. Mistake 17. Tomorrow, I went there. Tomorrow, I will go there. Mistake 18. I already eat dinner. I already ate dinner. I have already eaten dinner. Mistake 19. He is working here since 2022. He has been working here since 2022. Mistake 20. I am here from morning. I have been here since morning. Section 4. Article mistakes. Mistake 21. He is engineer. He is an engineer. Mistake 22. I bought umbrella. I bought an umbrella. Mistake 23. Sun rises in east. The sun rises in the east. Mistake 24. She is best student in class. She is the best student in the class. Mistake 25. I went to the school yesterday. I went to school yesterday.
Section 5. Preposition mistakes. Mistake 26. Married with, married to. Mistake 27. Good in English, Good at English. Mistake 28. Discuss about the problem. Discuss the problem. Mistake 29. Enter into the room. Enter the room. Mistake 30. Order for food. Order food.
Section 6. Daily speaking mistakes. Mistake 31. Myself, John. I'm John. Mistake 32. What is your good name? What is your name? Mistake 33. Where do you stay? Where do you live? Mistake 34. I am coming in 10 minutes. I will come in 10 minutes. Mistake 35. Open the light. Turn on the light. Mistake 36. Close the fan. Turn off the fan. Mistake 37. I passed out from university. I graduated from university. Mistake 38. I have two brother. I have two brothers. Mistake 39. Return back soon. Return soon. Mistake 40. Revert back to me. Reply to me.
Section 7. Professional English. Mistake 41. Kindly do the needful. Please take the necessary action. Mistake 42. Respected sir. Dear sir. Mistake 43. I am waiting your reply. I am waiting for your reply. Mistake 44. Attached herewith. Attached. Mistake 45. Please find the attachment. Please find the attached file. Mistake 46. I joined yesterday night. I joined last night. Mistake 47. I didn't receive your email. I didn't receive your email. Mistake 48. Can you explain me this? Can you explain this to me? Mistake 49. Discuss regarding the project. Discuss the project. Mistake 50. I look forward to hear from you. I look forward to hearing from you.
Section 8. Pronunciation mistakes. Mistake 51. Very good. Very good. Mistake 52. Is school. School. Mistake 53. Especially. Especially. Mistake 54. Development. Development. Mistake 55. Comfortable. Comfortable. Pronunciation. Comfortable. Section 9. Word confusion. Mistake 56. Borrow me a pen. Lend me a pen. Mistake 57. Say me the answer. Tell me the answer. Mistake 58. I am confusing. I am confused. Mistake 59. I feel boring. I feel bored.
Section 9. Word confusion. Mistake 56. Borrow me a pen. Lend me a pen. Mistake 57. Say me the answer. Tell me the answer. Mistake 58. I am confusing. I am confused. Mistake 59. I feel boring. I feel bored. Mistake 60. He is interesting. He is interested.
Section 10. Advanced Natural English. Mistake 61. I am getting late. I'm running late. Mistake 62. Cut the call. Hang up the call. Mistake 63. Take tension. Don't worry. Mistake 64. Give exam. Take an exam. Mistake 65. I have headache. I have a headache. Mistake 66. What happened with you? What happened to you? Mistake 67. Long time no see you. Long time no see. Mistake 68. I am standing here only. I'm right here. Mistake 69. Today morning. This morning. Mistake 70. Discuss about it later. Discuss it later.
Section 11. Advanced grammar errors. Mistake 71. More better? Better. Mistake 72. Most smartest? Smartest. Mistake 73. He is too much talented. He is very talented. Mistake 74. She sings good. She sings well. Mistake 75. He speaks English fluent. He speaks English fluently. Mistake 76. There have many people. There are many people. Mistake 77. Everybody have smartphones. Everybody has smartphones. Mistake 78. Neither of them are ready. Neither of them is ready. Mistake 79. The police is coming. The police are coming. Mistake 80. Mathematics are difficult. Mathematics is difficult.
Section 12. Fluency mistakes. Mistake 81. Translating every sentence in your head. Thinking directly in English. Mistake 82. Memorizing difficult vocabulary. Learning common phrases. Mistake 83. Watching English without speaking. Repeating aloud. Mistake 84. Speaking too fast. Speaking clearly. Mistake 85. Fear of mistakes. Consistent practice. Mistake 86. Learning only grammar. Learning real conversation. Mistake 87. Silent learning. Reading aloud daily. Mistake 88. Trying to sound perfect. Trying to sound natural. Mistake 89. Using complex words unnecessarily. Using simple, clear English. Mistake 90. Giving up after mistakes. Learning from mistakes. Section 13. Real-life conversation fixes. Situation 1. Restaurant. Bring 1 coffee. Could I get a coffee, please? Situation 2. Interview. My English is weak. I'm improving my communication skills. Situation 3. Phone call. Where are you currently now? Where are you now? Situation 4. Office. I completed the work yesterday night. I completed the work last night. Situation 5. Meeting. Let's discuss about the report. Let's discuss the report. Situation 6. Travel. I missed my station. I missed my stop. Situation 7. Shopping. What is the price of this one? How much is this? Situation 8. Friend conversation. I am bored from this movie. I am bored with this movie. Situation 9. Gym. I do gym every day. I work out every day. Situation 10. Social media. Upload this in Instagram. Upload this on Instagram.
Remember, Fluent English is not about using difficult vocabulary. It's about speaking naturally, avoiding common mistakes, communicating clearly, and practicing every day. The more mistakes you fix, the more confident you become. So don't wait for perfect English. Start speaking today. And comment below, which mistake surprised you the most?